Good morning, fellow woodworkers! Welcome back to another video announcing the winners of the DIY Tensegrity kit giveaway today. 3 winners, 2 will receive 1 DIY kit each, and the 3rd person will receive the Tensegrity I built in the video. Link to the video down there in the description. Upon release of this video, the 3 winners will also have received an email telling them that they are the winners. If they don't reply to me in 1 week, I'm going to announce 1 or 2 or 3, really depends, new winners, and they are going to be notified later. So I hope the 3 people who are going to be the winners are going to reply to me in 1 week. If that's not the case, I'm going to announce new winners. Now, 52 people in total got the word right, the winning phrase. Namely, it was bubinga, and bubinga is a rosewood. It's a very beautiful looking wood, and this is why I was using it, because I really like this type of wood, and this was the winning phrase. And now we are going to see who are going to be the winners. This right here is the list of all the people who got the winning phrase right. 52 people in total, and down here is number 1, and up here is going to be number 52. And now I'm going to use a random number generator to find out the first person who's going to be the winner. This is going to be the winner of the fully built Tensegrity that I built up in the video. Who's going to be the winner? Let's see. Number 6 is the winner, and number 6 is 246 Luke Wahl. Thank you very much. You are the winner of the fully built up Tensegrity. Now for the 2 people who are going to win the DIY Tensegrity kit. The first one is going to be number 17, and number 17 is Armin Zilzer. You are the winner of one of the DIY Tensegrity kits. And who's going to be the last winner of them all? Number 2, and number 2 is going to be Elias Pelo. Thanks to everyone who participated in the giveaway. This is most definitely not going to be the last giveaway I'm going to do here on this channel. If you also want to see regular giveaways, woodworking, DIY videos, then definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Ciao!